Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, March 4th, 2019. Well, we had our winter storm that moved through the region. Some locations got what they were expecting. The locations, not so much. We had winds from the northwest right now around 5 to 15 miles per hour with temperatures holding in the mid-30s along the coast, mid-20s to lower 30s over the northern interior. For the most part, the forecast panned out well for the New York City metro, especially as you head towards New York City and points north. Around the Philadelphia metro, very tough forecast with a very tight gradient. I knew that was going to be an issue, but Philadelphia definitely did not get anywhere near the 3 to 6 inches or 4 to 8 inches that was expected. Only about 1 inch, as that boundary in that rain-snow line pushed a little bit further northwest than what was expected. Just to the northwest of Philadelphia, definitely they got their snowfall totals. But of course, if you're in southwestern New Jersey or around Philadelphia looking for a day off for school, for example, it didn't pan out so well. And of course, along the New Jersey shore, really wasn't expecting all that much, but they woke up to almost nothing. Kind of surprised they had some winter storm warnings out for Ocean County, though. To be honest about that, about 1 to 3 inches of snow was only expected. But for the most part, it was a very interesting storm, and one that when you went to bed at 10, 11 o'clock at night, you're probably thinking, especially if you're on the New York City metro, why did they cancel school? What's going on? And then around 11 p.m. on through I'd say about 3 a.m., we had some very impressive snowfall rates ranging anywhere from 1 to 3 inches per hour. Just basically pummeled portions of New York City metro and also northern Long Island. The snow gradient around Long Island is very impressive, ranging from 1 inch to 7 inches. A 7-inch snow gradient is pretty impressive, and it's even stronger as you head towards from New York City to portions of northeastern New Jersey. So very complicated, very tricky storm, but one that certainly is going to be interesting to study. One of those March storms is always going to make you go a little nuts. When we take a look at the latest observations here, you can see our low pressure system starting to pull away. The pressure gradient in place is going to keep the winds pretty strong, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Look for those winds to remain from the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour, driving cold air into the region. On our latest satellite picture, you can see scattered to broken cloud cover throughout the region. So we'll see some breaks of sun, and with temperatures rising into the mid to upper 30s, that will allow melting of this snowfall, which has a high water content. And that's going to be a concern, because as this cold air builds in tonight, temperatures are going to be free falling into the 20s, teens, and by tomorrow morning, we're talking about single digits throughout the region, and that's going to lead to the real significant threat for some black ice. So definitely be prepared for that for tomorrow morning. It may not be snowing or freezing rain or anything like that, but it's still going to be rather slick out there for tomorrow morning. So for today, look for a scattered broken cloud cover, temperatures holding in the mid to upper 30s. For tonight, those temperatures will be free falling through the 20s and teens and into the single digits to lower teens by tomorrow morning with clear skies. Winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour, so the wind chill won't be too bad. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover. A weak Arctic cold front will move through. Can't rule out a passing flurry. Look for highs in the mid to upper 20s. On Wednesday, look for scattered cloud cover, lows in the single digits, highs in the upper teens to lower 20s. Again, watch out for some slick, icy conditions out there due to some lingering moisture on the ground. On Thursday, high pressure will be in control, a little bit warmer. Look for lows in the single digits, highs in the mid to upper 20s. On Friday, the high pressure system starts to push off the coast, much warmer, lows in the single digits, but highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Saturday, high pressure pushes off the coast with increasing cloud cover, lows in the mid-20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Sunday, an area low pressure will approach. That cold air will be lingering in the interior. So initially, we'll see some snow, sleet, freezing rain in the afternoon and evening in the Poconos, northern New Jersey, portions of the Hudson River Valley, but that will quickly change over to rain, all rain along the coast. Look for temperatures to range on Sunday in the upper teens to lower 20s for lows, and then upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, and mid to upper 40s along the coast by the time we get to Sunday afternoon. And on Monday, that low pressure system leaves with a few lingering showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior and lower to mid-50s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.